Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about heel elevated squats. So, a few things to keep in mind is A, you want to keep that torso upright, neutral spine, and you want your knees traveling forward. So when we come here to demonstrate, you want to elevate your heels either on plates or wedges, whatever you may have. Just take the ankle mobility out of it. Again, we're going to keep that upright torso, neutral spine, and we're bringing the knees forward as we're coming down. Notice how much knee flexion I have here. That makes sure that the top of your legs or the quads are helping you come back up. So another thing that I do see commonly when people first start doing these is they start pushing their hips back and they don't go as low. They go here and then they come back up. And they don't allow their knees to pass their toes, which completely defeats the purpose of the heel elevation, just because A, you want to hit more depth, so you want to go lower, and B, you want the knees to travel forward so you can hit more quads. So again, just remember, push those knees forward, coming down, keeping that neutral spine, coming back up. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time.